Well, hello Divi creators, and welcome to a brand new installment of our ongoing Divi design initiative, where each week we give away a brand new free Divi layout pack straight from our design team to you. This week we have for you a fresh, clean, and professional therapy layout pack you're going to love. Let's go ahead and check it out. If you're looking to get a new therapy website that will impress visitors and attract new clients, you will definitely want to check out this therapy layout pack. The visual appeal of these layouts are outstanding, with a perfect blend of warm colors and creative illustration accents throughout. Plus, it comes with dedicated pages for promoting therapy services, FAQs, and much more. And this layout is available right now inside Divi as a part of our growing library of over 250 free Divi layout packs, which you'll definitely want to check out as well. All right, now join me in this next part of the video where I give you a few tips on how you can get this new layout pack up and running on your website in just a few minutes. All right, so the first thing you'll want to do is make sure that you authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription. That way you'll have access to all of our free Divi layout packs from within the Divi library without any problems. To do that, go over to Divi, Theme Options, and then click the Updates tab. There you can enter your username and API key, and then click Save Changes. After that, you'll have access to all of our pre-made layout packs without any problems. And now we're ready to start creating our new pages so that we can add each of those pre-made layouts from the layout pack to those pages. To get started, go to Pages, Add New. We'll start with the home page, so let's go ahead and give it a title, and then click to use the Divi Builder. Select the option Choose a Pre-Made Layout. This will bring up the Load from Library pop-up. There you can search and find the new therapy layout pack, and then click on it. You'll see a preview of all the different layouts included in the pack on the right. You'll want to select the one that you want, and then click Use this layout. And once the layout has been loaded to the page, feel free to make any edits that you like, or come back later and do that if you wish. But don't forget to save and publish the page. And then you'll want to continue the same process of creating a new page and adding the corresponding pre-made layout to that page as well. And once all of your pages have been created with each of those pre-made layouts added to each one, you have all the pages you need for your new website up and running and ready to go. And for more details on how to use a pre-made layout pack on your Divi website, check out the description below for a link to the blog post, which will help you use this layout pack to get your website up and running in minutes. It covers things like how to use the image assets which are included in the pack, as well as how to set up a menu and how to create a static home page for your website, and much more. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love the new layout pack. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. That way we can get you notified every single time we have something new for you. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in the next one.